Hey everybody, how's it going? We're hanging out here in Niagara Falls, Canada, and we're looking for Dole Whips. If you don't know, a Dole Whip is an ice cream treat that used to only be found in Walt Disney World, Disneyland, in the Dole Plantation in Hawaii, but now you can kind of get them anywhere, and apparently you can get them in Niagara Falls. So we're on Clifton Hill here, and we're gonna walk up the hill and take a look and see if we can find one. This is the rumored spot where you can get it. It is super busy tonight on Clifton Hill. All these tourist traps are trapping tourists on the street. Oh, there it is. Dole Pineapple Whip. So this is the Clifton Hill Family Restaurant, located right in front of the Sky Wheel here, almost at the top of Clifton Hill. And we got prime seats too, right on the corner. The beautiful view of Clifton Hill. What are you expecting from this Dole Whip? Do you think it'll be legit? Will it taste like it did in Disney World, Disneyland?
I'm expecting it to, so I hope it does.
Yeah, me too. The stakes are high, so we'll see. I'm really hoping. I haven't had one since 2 years now. 2 years I haven't had a Dole Whip, so I'm big craving one. Well, good golly. That looks legit, so let's try it out and see how it is.
All right, here we go.
Let's just try it.
Is it legit?
It's legit. It's Disney legit. So there you go. You could get a Dole Whip all the way up here in Canada at Niagara Falls, Clifton Hill. And it tastes exactly like it does in Disney World, Disneyland. It looks even a little bit better with the pineapple on the side, so maybe a little upgrade. But then again, I'm not in Disney World, so. How is it? What's your thoughts?
I was not let down. This is fantastic.
There you go.
Now I just have to close my eyes. Maybe we should come back in the sunshine.
Yeah.
Close my eyes and just pretend that we're in Disney.
In Adventureland, outside the tiki room.
Exactly.
I could sing to you.
Yeah.
Tiki room. And as you can see here, we went with the float. The float is always my favorite Dole Whip. What's your favorite way to get the Dole Whip? You could get it in a milkshake form here, but we decided to go with my fave, the classic float. I was not disappointed at all. That's a legit Dole Whip right there. Next time I'll bring my commemorative cup I got from Disneyland, souvenir cup, and I'll just eat it in there. It'll be even more like being in a Disney park. But still not a bad view. It's still kind of got the theme park vibe, just not the Disney. Just the tourist traps.
Closer to home. And I would get a job there just to eat this every day.
I'm pretty sure there is one closer to home, so potentially one in Brantford, Ontario, so to be continued. Dun dun dun. So I think it's still pretty close in price too, as you would pay in Disney World. We're paying $7.99 plus tax Canadian, so it's coming out to $7.85 American, so I think that's pretty close. So if you're looking for the location of the restaurant, it's right in the middle of Clifton Hill, and it's called the Clifton Hill Family Restaurant, and it's attached to the Thrift Lodge here, and it's right across from the Niagara Sky Wheel. So halfway up the hill, not too bad of a track, and you get a delicious Dole Whip to quench any of your thirsts or cool you down on a hot day, which it is a hot night tonight. So there we go, we found the Dole Whip on Clifton Hill in Niagara Falls. It was delicious. Have you ever had the Dole Whip here in Niagara Falls? Let us know in the comment. Also, let us know where outside of Walt Disney World or any Disney parks that you have had a Dole Whip before. Alright? Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing, and we'll talk to you later. Have a good night. Bye-bye.